Sophia Nicole de Laces. I'm from Bshm 12, and we would like to share our thoughts about the similarities and differences of mathematical language and English language. And this is the meaning of mathematical language. A language may be a system of words or codes used within a discipline. Language may refer to a system of communication using symbols or sound. It is also defined the language of numbers, symbols, notations, and grammar. Using numbers and mathematical symbols, one can write words and sentences. System used to express, communicate, and share mathematical information that everyone will understand. How about you, Nuriel? What are
Good day everyone, my name is Noriel Asmakuto from Bshm 1-2. Today we're going to talk about what is English language. English language is the international language of communication. It is currently spoken by more foreign languages. Learners, the native speakers. It is an official language in numerous and spoken over 100 countries globally. It is taught as a foreign language in school all around the world and is frequently served as the common denominator for individuals of many nationalities when they meet when traveling, doing business, or in other situations.
I discovered several parallels and similarities between English and mathematical language. First and foremost, they are both grammatically correct languages. Grammar is used in math if mathematical logic, which determines whether statements are valid or not, then grammar in English of course mean by rules of a language governing the sounds, words, sentences, and other elements, as well as their combination and interpretation. Second, the precise and concise, both from languages. Mathematical language has precise and concise, which can also define in English language. Mathematical expressions and symbols can determine through mathematical words and expressions and sentences that similar to English language because we are also able to speak and determine English if it is through sentences, words, and expressions we make. Lastly, English language and mathematical language are both universal language. The English language are used by many countries all over the world just like mathematical language that indeed a universal language since the same numbers and symbols are used around the world by billions of people. How about you, Nuriel? Did you know the difference between these two?
The difference for these languages are in mathematical language there is thing called non-temporal, which is says that there is no past, present, and future in mathematics. In English language, there is a past, present, and future sentences and words that we can able to determine and understand. Math is significantly simpler language than English at the simple sentence fact level. They said that the math is simple to understand in English, though there is tons of numbers and infinite solution. The importance of mathematics as a universal language in modern culture cannot be overstated. It is utilized in technology, science, and medicine, commercial and financial services, as well as variety of workplaces all around the world. Meanwhile, English language is being used in school, narrative language in other countries. Next difference of these both languages is English is an international language used all over the world, allowing people from different countries to communicate for different needs. Mathematics is the language of science, but it is used for communication and describing different situations in everyday life. The last difference of these languages is first studying a language more focused on memorization. As mentioned above, a language is the combination of word, so that the most people start from memorizing words to study a language. That's why it is really easy to find a variety of word books of diverse language. Meanwhile, mathematics are concentrate on solving problem and looking for a solution than memorization. Second, studying a language has a various different structures according to the society and people who use it. For example, the word order of Korean is different from that English, subject, object, verb. However, mathematics is use common symbols and formula, which are globally some are the answer of 6 plus 7 is everywhere the same 13. Third, for studying a language, things that someone think are important can be different according to the one lights of viewpoint. That is the difference between mathematical language and English language.
That's very interesting differences between these two languages.
For the conclusion, there are many differences and also similarities in the way and the process of studying a language and mathematics. But in the terms of learning something, repetitive learning and continuous practices must be done in order to get the result someone wants.
Now that we discussed both similarities and differences of mathematical and English languages, I think they are very important because we are using it in our daily lives, especially the mathematical language. Though some people don't consider mathematical language as language, I hope our video will educate some people that mathematical language is a language.
And that's the end of our presentation together with Miss Sophia Nicole de Lasas. Hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.